Hello guys, in today's video we are going to take a look at this new Poco M3 smartphone. Let's get started. Let's unbox and see what's inside. Inside the box we have the phone, a clear case, a power adapter and a Type-C cable. The clear case really feels solid and it's made of a good quality. We'll keep this aside. Speaking of the phone has got a 6000 milliampere battery, a quad cam Snapdragon 662 processor, an 848 megapixel AI triple camera, and FHD display. This phone comes with two variants, 4GB, 64GB variant and 6GB, 128GB variant. It has got an 18-watt power brick and a Type-C cable. The specs are listed here. I've used this phone for a couple of weeks now and the phone feels really smooth and it's got a bigger battery and it's the best budget smartphone you could buy. This cable is only used for video purposes. If you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to Unknown's Unboxing. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.